Divorce after a long-term marriage can really be different than divorce earlier on in life. I'm Katherine Miller, and I've been a divorce attorney in New York City and New York State and Connecticut for over 30 years. And I'm actually divorced myself. Let me just tell you, I was thinking about this the other day. I got divorced when I'd been married about 10 years. I was in my late 30s. I had two young children. And I was concerned about my kids. I was concerned about my career. I was concerned about my future. I was thinking about it, talking to a client last week about her 30-year marriage and how different that was in some ways, but not in some ways, from my divorce. I was concerned about my children, and she was also concerned about her children, but her children were in their early 20s. It was a little bit different. The kinds of concerns she had, of course, she was worried about what to tell them, how to deal with holidays, but she wasn't really concerned about the day-to-day impact of the divorce on their lives, but still really concerned. I was concerned about my finances, and she was concerned about her finances too, but I was concerned about developing my career, and she was concerned about how she was going to manage her lifestyle throughout the rest of her life, given where the family finances were. I was concerned about my autonomy and the possibility of repartnering, and I had many years in front of me in which to find a new husband, which I did. And not that that's necessarily something you have to do or want to do, but I was concerned about what my partnership life would look like. And she's concerned about that, but she's looking at a world of dating that is so, so different than the world of dating it was when she met her husband when they were in college. I actually did an interview with Diane Burrows on my podcast, Divorce Dialogues, a while ago on a path to happiness when you divorce over 50. And if you're interested in learning more about that and more about what's often called gray divorce, although I hate that term, divorce when you've been married for a long time, why don't you click on the link below and we'll shoot you over a copy of the podcast. If you like it, please subscribe. And of course, we'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for listening.